Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, October 19th. And we got some pretty chilly air here over the next couple of days before we warm up late this weekend and early next week. So we'll go from about 5 degrees below normal here over the next 2 or 3 days to being about 5 to 10 degrees above normal again once we get into next week. So the headlines: watch out for a little bit of patchy fog this morning in some areas. Then we'll see lots of sunshine, but we'll have increasing clouds across the southern part of the state as a low pressure system along that stalled out frontal boundary in the Ohio Valley will move to the northeast, and that could bring some pretty significant rain to the northern Ohio Valley region, and that may creep into southeast lower Michigan over into southwest Ontario where they could see amounts over a half inch. So for our areas like Blissfield and Jasper over to St. Thomas, Tupperville and London, there could be a little bit of moisture here over the next 72 hours, while areas up in central Michigan should either remain dry or just maybe a sprinkle or a shower here and there. If we look at the normals for the day, our normal high is 59, the normal low is 39. And if we look at the conditions around the area yesterday, you can see October running 8.5 degrees above normal, so very warm. High temperatures yesterday in Lansing, Henderson got up to 78 degrees. Just a little bit of rainfall down in southeast lower Michigan at Jasper and Blissfield. And the cold spot over in Newaygo down to 49 degrees. If we look at the national highs and lows, you can see yesterday 105 degrees at Rio Grande Village in Texas. Once again, another hot day there. And temperatures got down to 8 degrees at Big Piney, Wyoming. If we look at the conditions around the area this morning, you can see temperatures mainly in the upper 40s to the low 50s. So not too bad, certainly above normal for this time of year, but we'll see that cooler air move in late this afternoon in through Saturday, when highs tomorrow will only be in the 50s, plenty of cloud cover. And as you get over towards 131, you could even see a little bit of lake effect, rain showers here over the next 2 days. If we look at the current wind conditions across the area, you can see very light winds or calm conditions across the area, but that wasn't the case yesterday. And you can see some of our peak wind gusts got up to 43 miles per hour at Henderson and 42 miles per hour at Marlette for a very windy day on the Tuesday. If we look at the wind flow 24 hours ago, this is what it looked like with a strong cold front getting ready to move through the area. We had very strong winds. Just 24 hours later, however, you can see very light conditions across the Great Lakes this morning. If we look at the satellite view this morning, you can see lots of clear skies across the Great Lakes all the way down to the southwest. Our next weather system way out in Nebraska and into the Rockies, and that'll move to the northwest. And again, over the next few days, though, that cold front will push through, and we can't rule out a shower, especially again for tonight through Thursday night as that system moves through. But the best bet is most of the precipitation is going to stay off to our south and southeast. Again, southeast lower Michigan, southwest Ontario might be a little different story for you guys. You can see on radar some showers breaking out across Nebraska. Here's the old cold front that's moved through the southeast of us now, and again, it's along that front where that low pressure system will form and move up it, combined with this moisture here, and again, give plenty of moisture just off to our south. If we look at the weather map this morning, you can see that cold front now stalled off to our southeast, and we're going to have another strong wave of low pressure move up along that front, again, bringing that rain to the area. And you can see the secondary cold front coming through the area by tomorrow morning, and that's going to bring the really chilly air with highs only in the 50s. You can even see a mixture of rain and snow from the western UP up into the Arrowhead of Minnesota and to the northwest of Lake Superior. And by Friday morning, we're going to be firmly in the cold air with lake effect rain showers along Lake Michigan, lake effect rain and snow showers up near Lake Superior as that very chilly air moves in. But again, it'll be quickly moving off to the east. And Saturday will be slightly warm and maybe 60 degrees, and then we'll be well into the 60s as we go into Sunday, into early next week, maybe even a 70-degree temperature. So quite warm conditions are expected for this time of year once again as we get into next week. As far as precipitation over the next 72 hours, you can see very heavy rainfall off into parts of eastern Ohio, Pennsylvania, up into western New York, and some of that heavier precipitation of around half to 3/4 of an inch or an inch could make it into southeast lower Michigan, into southwest Ontario. So again, harvest conditions may suffer a little bit in those areas, but from much of central and mid-Michigan, looks like very little precipitation expected, and we should see harvest conditions roll right on through the weekend. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.